Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's begin. This is a continuation with that Tundra. We're continuing with the grill, the hood, and the front top of the bumper. That's what's going to be next. I'm moving around the truck. It's everything's been fixed, everything's been sanded. So let's just begin. Also, guys, hit that subscribe button. I know that there's a lot of people that are watching my videos that are not subscribed. It helps a lot. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and I appreciate it. Thank you. Let's begin. Before starting to apply the sealer, I finished this sanding. The sanding right now, it's at 400 wet. Okay, because I've had several emails stating that when they apply the sealer, it comes out rough, like primer. It doesn't supposed to come out rough, guys. It's supposed to come out perfect, like if it was paint. So you need to sand it down all the way to 400 wet or 600 wet, and you'll be good. You can start with 180 if you have a primer, and then work yourself up to the 400, 600 range. Also, they've been asking, what is your favorite sealer? The only sealer that I've trusted and that I have ever sprayed is this one, the Urichem sealer, guys. It's 411, 4 parts of sealer, 1 part of the catalyst, and 1 part of the reducer. It has worked for years and never had any issues with delamination or anything. So Urichem paint sealer, it's one of the best ones that I have used. Right there, the sealer, as you can see, it's like if it was paint. Nice and smooth. It doesn't supposed to come out rough, so just make sure that you have your gun adjusted properly. And I'm applying it at 28 psi, 29 psi. There you go, first coat. Now I'm just gonna let it set for 10-15 minutes. It's about 89 degrees in here, so it should dry pretty quick. But I'll bring you back once the third coat is applied, so that I can show you how to do that drop coat or control coat. 3 coats have been applied. Now I waited about 5-10 minutes. Now I'm gonna start applying that drop coat, control coat, and just look at the way I'm doing it. I'm gonna be a little bit farther from the panel. Let's go. Now I know it's nice and even. Now I can just let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. Come back, use a tack rag, clean it up, and start applying that clear. That's first coat of clear. Now I'm just gonna wait about 10 to 15 minutes for it to dry a bit. Come back, apply 2 more coats. I'm gonna apply 4 coats to the hood, just because it's gonna be getting more sun, and 3 coats to these parts. There it is. I applied 4 coats to the hood, 3 coats to these parts right here. Nice and even. Looks good. Now, just gonna let it dry, and that's it. That's it. We're done with this part, and this will be it. This will be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you learned something. Remember, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. It helps a lot. And all the materials that I used are in the description below. Go ahead, hit them up. Tell them Far Away sent you. And like always, have a great weekend. Have a great week. We'll see you this coming Wednesday for another Unboxing Wednesday. Like always, God bless.